Well, it's not exactly a sunset on the Caribbean beach, but for Northwest Georgia, it's actually pretty nice.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
This is Glenn and Jane Adventures. We'll travel every back road together. Us and you in a little car for two. Mountains and oceans, we love all the views. Oh, this is Glenn and Jane Adventures.
So I opened up the car this morning to take a look, and if you look down at the bottom down there's a pile of washers there. That pile of washers is supposed to go between the alternator and the engine, so the bracket that holding the alternator on actually fell off sometime yesterday. We'll try to go a little ways today, and I'll try to tighten it up at the next place.
Supposed to be the best ones for making pumpkin pie.
Not that I know. I've never eaten a gray pumpkin in my life.
Look at this thing. I don't even know what it is.
So we stopped at this little roadside stand, actually at somebody's house, and they grow pumpkins, and he's got cows and everything, and they gave Jane a pumpkin so Jane could carve a pumpkin for Halloween. I hope it don't stink.
Oh, why? It won't stink.
Thanks, guys.
For 23 miles. Continue
Bye,
straight.
Mr. Hayman.
Okay, now this is really fun.
Yeah, we met a bunch of good old boys sitting on the porch, and he said if you want to go see the prettiest part of this country, you just travel down this area there, and over there, get beer, heard the secret, heard, and there's heard of here, and heard of here. That's exactly what I thought he said. And we sat there and shook our head like, And when we got back in the car, we both said, "Did you understand the thing that guy said?" I said, "No."
One of the challenges for not knowing where you are and not knowing back roads, we are at a train track wanting to go across, but the train has come to a complete stop. We have no idea what for or for how long. So we're just kind of sitting here on the side of the road. Well, we've had to stop at Home Depot.
The alternator.
The alternator bolts are falling off. So I think we ought to fix that. What do you think? Well, really, considering the trips we've had, this has done pretty well.
Interestingly enough, all of the parts except the bolt.
I have one glove. Well, we stopped because of the smell, and we saw a sign that said Sisters Florist and Bakery. So looks like an old house, and we're gonna try and check it out. It's pretty cool. It's really cool. I love it. It's gorgeous.
Wow.
Oh, those are really good.
Amazing.
Oh, right.
Those are really good.
Some more stuff though, because I have to buy something else.
Oh, peanut butter. Okay, so we might try the. Let's do one of the wedding cookies.
I'll let you try whatever you want to try.
Let's do one. That way it doesn't spill everywhere.
This is the easiest way to eat a cupcake in the car. It's like now a cupcake sandwich. I actually like the frosting.
I was gonna say, for you, say you like frosting is a big deal.
As we leave the twisting and turning roads of the North Georgia mountains in our rearview mirror, the southern roads provide a much more relaxing drive. And as with all of our adventures, we try to find that out-of-the-way restaurant, that place that we've never been to and probably will never get to again. And today it just happened to be my favorite, barbecue. Barbecue burrito.
Probably my new favorite.
Yeah, very well worth it.
Barbecue.
I like
oh my
it.
goodness, the best ever.
What?
I have 10,000 reflections.
These are the kind of things we don't like to see when we use our GPS.
Okay, I am sitting on the beach enjoying the sand here at the lake. It's beautiful up here. First day we haven't had to be in long sleeves and jackets since we left. And Glenn is actually attempting to get in the water. He actually may make it. Really?
Well, I thought about it until I got to about right here. And then I got thinking, no.
It's a little too cold today. Hey, look at you. You're almost all the way in.
As Jane plans out our travel days, she likes to build in enough time at the end of the day to make sure our tent's all set up so that we can enjoy a beautiful sunset.
You don't get sunsets like this in the city.
No, you don't.
This is one of the things that makes small towns so special.
Yeah. It's quiet. There's no lights everywhere.
Jiffy Pop over the fire.
Working, but there's a hole in the side of it.
Spitting out popcorn instead of, come on, pop up. Okay, our first attempt at Campground Jiffy Pop. It looks like a helium balloon. Well, son of a gun.
How'd it go?
Look at that. Buttered popcorn.
Woohoo!
Somewhat burnt around the edges.
Hey everybody, thanks for joining us on our adventures.
You can go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on GlennJaneAdventures.com.